Hey guys, welcome to Valley Engineering. Today I'm working on the seat for the airplane, so I thought I'd show you how I get that formed and installed. What I've got is this top tube. It'll be my first roll in the seat. I'll roll it to snap around. And then it gets two bends to where it sits on top of this tube, and then a second roll to roll around and snap onto that. And that'll be a one-piece seat. It gets prop rivets across the all three tubes, and then I've already got it set up here. We've made a homemade roller, and I've already got the first roll measured out. All right, you can see I've got the first roll put in the seat there. It just rolls over the top tube and comes around the back. It'll get a row of rivets across the back here to lock that in place. So now the next step is to put my two bends to where it sits on top of this tube here, and I've already got my measurements, so I'll get those laid out and get those bent. All right, you can see I've got my two bends in here. This will get another piece of 1/8 inch thick aluminum bar that comes across and gets riveted through that bar and through this for extra reinforcement. So now I've got this roll here, so I'll get it marked, get it rolled, and snap it all in place and see how it fits. All right, guys, there it is. The seat is fit and ready for rivets. Across the bottom front edge here, it'll get a row of rivets, and then it'll get reinforced here with that 1/8 inch flat and riveted across there, which it's actually kind of sitting on top of that tube, so that helps support a lot of the weight. And then again across the back of the top there, it'll get a row of rivets, and I'll notch in here, and that's where the seat belts come through. The seat belts go around that top tube and through the seat over the shoulder, so I'll have to put some notches in there and for the seat belts to come through. And I'm going to go ahead and drill the holes, and I don't finish it off. I just set it in there with Clecos for now, so I can take the seat out. Once the fabric's on it, it makes it easier to get in there and tape it all off and paint it. I've got to get the corner braces in there for the lap belt to the seat belt, but I've got a little bit more done this week. I got the top brace for the engine mount welded on. I've got the bow for the instrument panel done, and the rudder, it's done. So it's getting real close to the fuselage being done and complete, ready for covering. That's what I have done so far. That's how I do my seat. Like, nothing fancy. We just use a little bender and our homemade roller, and I just fit it in there and put some rivets on. So that's all I got for this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.